Haarp, short for High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, is a research project conducted by the United States in Alaska to study the Earth's ionospheric layer. Haarp uses an array of antennas and high-frequency radio technology to study how the ionospheric layer affects radio and satellite communications. However, there are many conspiracy theories that state that Haarp is being used as a secret military weapon, especially to control the weather and cause natural disasters. However, these claims lack sufficient evidence and cannot be proven scientifically. So far, Haarp has been used for scientific research purposes, and there is no evidence to suggest that the device has been used as a weapon. Haarp has played an important role in understanding the ionosphere and how it affects radio and satellite communications. Haarp's research has led to many important discoveries, such as how the ionosphere affects the propagation of radio waves and how it can be used to enhance communication with submarines. Haarp has also been used to study the effects of solar flares and geomagnetic storms on the ionosphere. Despite the many scientific benefits of Haarp, the project has been the subject of controversy and speculation. Some people believe that Haarp's high-energy radio waves could be harmful to human health or the environment, while others believe that the project is a cover-up for secret military activities. In response to these concerns, the United States government has provided reassurances that Haarp is a peaceful research project with no military applications. The project is overseen by a civilian research institution, the University of Alaska, and is subject to strict environmental regulations and safety protocols. Overall, while Haarp has been the subject of many conspiracy theories and controversies, its scientific contributions have been significant, and it remains an important research project for understanding the Earth's ionosphere. Haarp has also been a target of criticism from foreign governments and organizations, who have accused the United States of using the project for military purposes or as a means of controlling the weather. Russia, in particular, has been a vocal critic of Haarp and has accused the United States of using the project to create artificial weather disturbances and even earthquakes. However, these claims are not supported by scientific evidence and are widely considered to be baseless conspiracy theories. The United States has consistently maintained that Haarp is a peaceful research project and has made its findings and data available to the scientific community for further study. In recent years, the Haarp project has undergone significant changes. In 2014, the project was transferred from the United States Air Force to the University of Alaska, which now manages and operates the facility. The new management has pledged to continue Haarp's scientific research while also ensuring transparency and openness in the project's operations. Despite the controversies and criticisms surrounding Haarp, the project remains a valuable tool for scientific research and has contributed significantly to our understanding of the Earth's ionosphere. While the project's future is uncertain, it is likely that Haarp will continue to play an important role in advancing our knowledge of the Earth's atmosphere and the ways in which it affects our daily lives. In conclusion, Haarp is a research project aimed at studying the Earth's ionosphere, which uses an array of antennas and high-frequency radio technology. While the project has been the subject of many conspiracy theories and controversies, the United States government has consistently maintained that Haarp is a peaceful research project with no military applications. Haarp has contributed significantly to our understanding of the Earth's atmosphere and has led to many important scientific discoveries. Despite the controversies surrounding the project, its scientific value cannot be denied, and it remains an important tool for research into the ionosphere and its effects on our daily lives. Moving forward, it is likely that Haarp will continue to play a role in advancing our knowledge of the Earth's atmosphere. While the project's future remains uncertain, it is clear that the valuable research conducted at Haarp will continue to contribute to our understanding of the world around us. It is worth noting that while Haarp may not be a military weapon, there are other military technologies that are designed to manipulate the ionosphere for strategic purposes. For example, ionospheric heaters like the Russian Sura and Chinese IceCat facilities are capable of generating extremely high-powered radio waves to modify the ionosphere and potentially disrupt satellite and radio communication. Despite the potential military applications of ionospheric heaters, their exact capabilities and effects are not well understood, and further research is needed to fully comprehend their impact on the Earth's atmosphere. It is also important to note that the use of such technologies for military purposes would be a violation of international agreements, including the Environmental Modification Convention of 1976, which prohibits the use of weather modification techniques for hostile purposes. Overall, while Haarp is a valuable research tool for understanding the Earth's ionosphere, it is important to remain vigilant and ensure that other technologies are not used for military purposes or to harm the environment. Continued scientific research and open communication are key to ensuring that our understanding of the Earth's atmosphere continues to advance in a responsible and peaceful manner. Additionally, it is important to recognize that the controversies and conspiracy theories surrounding Haarp are not unique to this particular project. Many scientific endeavors, particularly those funded by the government or military, have been met with skepticism and speculation. However, it is important to approach such controversies with a critical and rational mindset, and to evaluate claims based on evidence and scientific consensus. While it is important to remain vigilant and hold those in power accountable for their actions, it is also crucial to avoid baseless conspiracy theories and to ensure that scientific research is conducted with integrity and transparency. In conclusion, Haarp is a research project with the aim of studying the Earth's ionosphere, which has led to many important scientific discoveries. While the project has been the subject of controversy and speculation, there is no evidence to suggest that Haarp is a military weapon or has been used for harmful purposes. It is important to approach controversies surrounding scientific research with a critical and rational mindset, and to evaluate claims based on evidence and scientific consensus. By doing so, we can ensure that scientific research is conducted in a responsible and transparent manner, and that we continue to advance our understanding of the world around us. Looking to the future, it is likely that research into the Earth's ionosphere and its effects on our daily lives will continue to be an important area of study. The ongoing changes in the Earth's climate and atmosphere, as well as the increasing reliance on satellite and wireless communication technologies, make it more important than ever to understand the ionosphere and its behavior. New research projects, such as the High-Frequency Active Auroral Research Program 2 HAARP-2, are being developed to build on the successes of Haarp and to advance our knowledge of the ionosphere. HAARP-2 will use a more efficient and versatile antenna array to study the ionosphere and its effects on satellite communication. Additionally, as our understanding of the Earth's atmosphere grows, it is likely that new technologies and applications will emerge. For example, research into the use of the ionosphere for wireless power transfer and space propulsion is currently underway, and may lead to new breakthroughs in these fields. Overall, the study of the Earth's ionosphere and its effects on our daily lives is a rapidly evolving field, and the future of scientific research in this area is bright. As new discoveries are made and new technologies are developed, we will continue to gain a better understanding of the world around us, and the role that the ionosphere plays in shaping our planet. While the future of ionospheric research is promising, it is important to ensure that such research is conducted in an ethical and responsible manner. As with any technology, there is the potential for unintended consequences and harmful applications, and it is crucial to carefully evaluate the potential risks and benefits of any new research projects. To this end, there have been calls for increased transparency and open communication between researchers and the public, in order to foster trust and ensure that scientific research is conducted with integrity and accountability. It is also important to ensure that the results of such research are disseminated widely, so that the public can benefit from the advances made in the field. In addition to scientific research, it is also important to consider the policy implications of ionospheric research. For example, the potential for disruption of satellite and radio communication by ionospheric heaters raises questions about the need for international regulations and governance of such technologies. Ultimately, the future of ionospheric research will depend on a variety of factors, including the political, social, and economic context in which such research is conducted. However, by prioritizing transparency, accountability, and responsible research practices, we can ensure that scientific research in this area continues to advance in a way that benefits humanity and the planet as a whole. In conclusion, the High-Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, HAARP, is a research project designed to study the Earth's ionosphere and its effects on our daily lives. While the project has been the subject of controversy and speculation, there is no evidence to suggest that Haarp is a military weapon or has been used for harmful purposes. Haarp has led to many important scientific discoveries, and research into the Earth's ionosphere and its behavior is likely to continue to be an important area of study in the future. New research projects, such as Haarp 2, are being developed to build on the successes of Haarp and to advance our knowledge of the ionosphere. However, it is important to ensure that such research is conducted in an ethical and responsible manner, and to carefully evaluate the potential risks and benefits of any new research projects. By prioritizing transparency, accountability, and responsible research practices, we can ensure that scientific research in this area continues to advance in a way that benefits humanity and the planet as a whole. Ultimately, our understanding of the Earth's atmosphere and its behavior is constantly evolving, and it is through scientific research and discovery that we can continue to advance our knowledge and make progress in solving some of the most pressing environmental and technological challenges of our time. We discuss the High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, Haarp, a research project designed to study the Earth's ionosphere and its effects on our daily lives. While the project has been the subject of controversy and speculation, there is no evidence to suggest that Haarp is a military weapon or has been used for harmful purposes. We also talked about the scientific discoveries that have been made as a result of Haarp and the importance of understanding the ionosphere and its behavior, especially given the changes in the Earth's climate and atmosphere and the increasing reliance on satellite and wireless communication technologies. Furthermore, we emphasize the need to conduct ionospheric research in an ethical and responsible manner, with transparency and accountability. This includes evaluating the potential risks and benefits of any new research projects, and ensuring that the results of such research are disseminated widely for public benefit. In conclusion, our understanding of the Earth's atmosphere and its behavior is constantly evolving, and it is through scientific research and discovery that we can continue to advance our knowledge and make progress in solving some of the most pressing environmental and technological challenges of our time.